Thank you in advance for viewing this presentation. This will assist us as we navigate a new way to complete your course request. Please note that this is not in place of our annual registration. Dates of our registration for next school year will be announced on Facebook or our newsletter, Paw Prints. This course request is quite different than ones you participated in at your former school. This process is also new to me, so please bear with me as we go through this together. In the email where you found this link, we have the following attachments: the KDHS course description guide, a Japanese course promotion video from the World Language Department, our course request form, grade 10, which you may want to print ahead of time, the 2026 graduation requirements, student resume, what is dual enrollment PDF form, the school profile for last school year, and a college planning guide for 10th graders. I highly recommend that you print a course request form and follow along. Parents and students must complete the course requests together. Complete your course request form, making sure that you only have 7 credits, and you will need 2 credits worth of alternate courses. Enter your course request into Aspen with the same information on your request form, and I will have directions as to how to do this and how to complete it. And you'll want to make sure that you enter your alternate courses in Aspen below the heading of Notes for Counselor. If you don't have it, and prior to the start of the school year, I will just randomly select a course for you, and you can participate in the 10-day schedule change. Bring the signed course selection sheet to me or drop it into the box outside my door. Please make sure your parents have signed it. And I will be conducting a presentation, or at least provide assistance or answer questions or concerns on Thursday, February 23rd at Kadena High School in the Information Center at 5 p.m. Students without an entered course request sheet by morning of February 24th will have courses selected by me in order to meet our suspense date. Again, this course request is a request only and will assist us in obtaining interest for courses that we will offer next school year. Again, students not placed in the courses of their choice will be placed in their alternate selection course. However, if it doesn't work, and I will pick the course that does fit in the student's schedule, and students wishing to change their course may make those changes during the first 10 days of semester 1 during the school year 2023 to 2024 school year. If you are PCSing, I ask that you submit a course selection sheet and complete one in Aspen anyways. The reason for this is we are generating interest in particular classes. So for instance, next year all students will take chemistry. If 40 students PCS and do not submit a course selection sheet, that means that we will be down a couple of classes in chemistry. So please submit one, and hopefully the high school that you are transferring into has the same process. This will allow you to likely be able to obtain the classes that you want at your next school, because a student that's leaving may have submitted a course selection to generate interest for courses that students are interested in taking. Our graduation requirements include language arts, which is 4 credits, math, 4 credits, science, 3 credits, social studies, 3 credits, career technical education, 2 credits, fine arts, 1 credit, foreign language or world language, 2 credits, PE, 1.5 credits, health, a half a credit, electives, 5 credits, for a minimum total of 26 credits to meet high school graduation. Again, a copy of the 2026 graduation requirements required by DODEA is on the email where you found the link to this video. As a refresher, 1 credit class is a year-long class or 36 weeks course, and a half credit is only a semester or 18 weeks or 18-week course. Students wishing to earn an honors diploma must have a cumulative 3.8 grade point average by graduation, right before graduation. They must complete 4 AP classes and a half credit in any of these requirements in economic literacy, in career technical education, social studies, science, and mathematics. And you can see that these are the required courses that we require, and there are no substitutes for this. We actually have 2 types of diploma types. The other one is the one that we use for all students. The minimum grade point average is a 2.0. No AP credits are required, and students must have a minimum of 26 credits to meet this requirement. So for this school year or freshman year, students were allowed to take 1 AP courses, and that AP course was AP Human Geography. Next school year, as you look on your course request form, we have several AP level courses that you may participate in. AP courses are college level courses and are taught at a more rigorous level than other high school courses. There is an end of the year AP exam for each course taken in May. A score of 3 or higher out of 5 on this exam can earn you college credit, but the college will set the score that they will be willing to provide you with your college credit. So in some schools, 3 is what they'll accept, and then others, it'll be a 4 or a 5. To graduate with honors, you must complete 4 AP courses and earn a 3.8 cumulative GPA, and there are no substitutions, and the 3.8 is firm. We don't round up. Success in AP courses will help boost your GPA an extra point per grade, and because a standard level course is an unweighted grade, so an A is equivalent to 4 points, B is equivalent to 3 points, and a C is equivalent to 2 points, and so on. In an AP course, a student may earn an A in the course, and their grade is weighted, meaning that it'll be scored on a 5-point scale where an A is equivalent to 5 points and a B is equivalent to 4 points. So a student earning a C in their AP course will actually have it calculated as a B because it gives you that extra point boost. That's why students can earn a GPA of a 4.4 or 4.381. AP courses are intended to be rigorous and are open to students who would like a challenge. However, these are year-long courses, and students should have the adequate study skills to focus to successfully complete these courses. Students who have difficulties submitting homework assignments within a timely manner or on time should wait until their study habits have improved. I don't want to discourage any student. However, teachers cannot grade on potential. They must grade assignments on the product that is submitted. Okay, just because a student didn't take an AP course this year or aren't able to take an AP course next school year does not mean that they cannot take an AP course their junior and senior year. Oftentimes, study skills improve, and as well along with their study habits. So for dual enrollment, I have attached a little cheat sheet for students interested in taking dual enrollment courses. Dual enrollment allows students to take college courses that can be used as both high school and college courses. Students wishing to enroll should see me. These are not free college courses. Parents are responsible for all fees and costs incurred if student is interested in participating in this program. Now, as a reminder, the dual enrollment courses that we have to offer next school year are through writing, language arts, and also for social studies. And right now we're determining interests. So if this is what your child wants to take, they can begin earning college credit, but this also begins a college transcript for students. Another option for students wanting to take a rigorous course is Language Arts 10 Honors. The reason why is with a 4-year plan, we should be showing progression. So if a student takes Writing 112 and English 102 as a sophomore, junior and senior year, I'm not quite sure what that will look like in terms of courses being taken or classes, language arts courses that are at a higher level than Writing 112 or English 102 that would be taken by University of Maryland Global Campus. It doesn't mean that you have to take these courses through UMGC, but you may want to begin exploring through your state to see if they offer dual enrollment courses, the cost of it, will it be for free, and will it align with our course description for the courses and standards that we want to teach our students. So one of the this is only our second year that we will be offering dual enrollment to sophomores. And again, as of right now, I'm not sure what that looks like in terms of taking language arts for college credit or a dual enrollment credit, and then taking that third and fourth credit of language arts in the future. So a 4-year plan is always wise. If your child was here in October, I went through the classes and discussed 4-year plans. I've also sent them through emails, and I have attached a copy of the 4-year plan, a blank one, onto this email for planning purposes. This is a question that is often asked. Can a dual enrollment course be substituted for an AP course for the honors diploma? And the answer for this is no. Taking dual enrollment course does not replace one of the required AP courses to earn an honors diploma. This is a great time to go ahead and pull your course request form out and follow along. So this is the course request sheet that I've asked that you print in order to follow along. You're going to select 7 credits worth of work and 2 elective alternates. So 2 semester courses equals 1 credit of coursework. All the semester classes have the semester at the end of it. So if it doesn't have a semester, that means it's a year-long course. Please note that these right here are our subject areas, and this is what we're going to follow along is these content areas right here, and it also shows required number of credits to meet DODEA graduation requirements. So please follow along. All right, so language arts. Most of our students will be taking Language Arts 10 or Language Arts 10 Honors, and for those of students who want to take dual enrollment may select Writing 112 and English 102. Students wishing to earn a language arts credit must see me to complete Form 1367 dual enrollment authorization form, and the dual enrollment is at parents' expense. Now, students wanting to that are college bound, oftentimes what they'll notice is the colleges will recalculate a student's grade point average. So a student who earned a 3.8 but took Honors 9 and Honors 10 can earn an extra point to meet their requirements for admission. So students who earn a 3.8 but took honors classes, quite a few AP classes, and dual enrollment classes can have their GPA recalculated at the college level. So for honors, usually they give students a half credit for a 1-year class. For AP classes and dual enrollment classes, students are provided 1 credit And so again, this is up to the college as to how they want to do this. Please click on to link 2 for the next session.